at the end of the video I'll put kind of a little teaser on what I'll be doing. Like here I can check how good my editing skills will be. But yeah, hello and welcome to my first long YouTube video, the first proper video which isn't a short, which I'll be posting. It's kind of an introduction, however it's not the introduction, and that will become apparent shortly, because today I have received all my gear that I'll be using to record the adventure journey that I'm going on, which I'll be vlogging on YouTube and TikTok. So once I've done the unboxing for this video, I will be using this equipment to actually do my introduction video to the channel, what I'll be doing, who I am, etc. But yeah, this video is literally going to be an unboxing video, and I will show you the gear that I have got / brought for my adventures. And then after, at the end of the video, I'll put kind of a little teaser on what I'll be doing. Like here I can check how good my editing skills will be. But yeah, then look out for the introduction video, the proper introduction, after this. So let's get into the gear, equipment that I bought, which all turned up today. I will probably speed this up. I got back just in time for all this because it was just about to hammer it down, and I got back and Matt was in the back garden. That could have been an absolute disaster, to be honest. So what have we got here? The first thing we've got is, I don't know whether that's gonna blur or not, but hey ho, we have a GoPro product. So what have we gone for? We've gone for the GoPro Hero 13, which I believe is the newest and probably the best on the market. This bundle, there was money off this bundle. It's meant to be like 450 quid. However, I got it for £370. So yeah, there's the GoPro. I'll probably get a bit of a closer up. I'll get into this at the end, and I'll do a closer up from a different angle. I'll just open kind of everything I've got at the moment, because how exciting is a box opening on YouTube. I'm going mental for it. So we've got Lark, Hollyland Lark microphones. We'll get into that a bit closer at the end as well. There's 2 boxes down. Try and cut into everything. There we go. Pouring stuff, extra batteries, so you do not run out of batteries on the travels. And what's this? We have a media mod, so I'll show you a bit closer into that when I crack it all open. And what's the final thing? The final thing is just an extra SD card, an extra hard drive for all the content we'll be getting. So yeah, that is all that there. I shall bring you all in for a closer look now at everything, and then I'll crack on with a proper introduction video, which everyone can watch, and yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, we'll get into everything just a little bit closer. Yeah, what we got with this? We've got a handle, so a lovely little handle. What else we got here? Just a couple of mounts, I think that is. A couple of mounts. pretty standard stuff. A clip, and let's have a look at the actual GoPro. Let's just whip this out. A little bit of a, what is it, AMSR. That's not very good, is it? Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Yeah, sound. Oh, how sexy is that? Yeah, there is the GoPro in all its glory. Leave that there for now. Are they just magnets, or I don't really want to mess anything up. I'm gonna speak to Scott before I touch anything. I will speak to Scott because he is the guy, the know-it-all. Not the know-it-all, but you know what I mean. He's the smart guy with this stuff. Scott, you are the know-it-all. Now, let's get the media mod out, which is just some extra little bits, which he's going to have to show me what's what. That's for the microphone. It's like a windbreaker, so you won't hear the wind when I'm speaking into a microphone. However, I do have obviously the Lark mics, which are top quality anyway. And then the media mod is just this little badger, which I assume just, again, I don't really want to break anything, so I'll probably be a bit more careful with that, to be honest. It fits in there somehow. It doesn't look like it. I shall work it out. There we are. Is that a clip? Oh, there we go. There we go. And that just... one way or another, it clips in, but I'm having a mare with it, so I'm actually just going to leave that for Scott to show me. Let's have a look. Let's just have a little look. What's that? That's a little... No. That can wait. So, yeah. There's the GoPro, the Hero 13. With the media mod and everything else. So, I will crack on with sorting everything out. And then I will do a proper introduction video. As to what I'm doing, like I said before, batteries. So yeah, look out for that. And I will also, I'm going to put up a little teaser of the journey I'm doing at the end now. So take a look. If you're watching this for the first time, you're not subscribed, then like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video, hopefully with a GoPro still all intact. Thank you for watching.